Want to work on your Wix Harmony site with a team? Easily invite site collaborators by following these steps. On the Wix Harmony editor, go to the Wix logo on the upper left. Go to Site Actions and select Invite Collaborators. This opens your site's dashboard in another tab. Here on this field, simply input the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite as your site collaborators. Next, scroll down below and select the roles you'd like to assign to them. Each role has its own set of permissions, so selecting a role would depend on what kind of permissions you'd like to grant them. If you can't find the specific role you're looking for, you can also create a custom role if you want to. Creating custom roles let you create a role with any combination of permissions you need. So go ahead and set it up. Once you're done assigning roles and permissions to that specific collaborator, go ahead and click on Send Invite. A pop-up will appear. Wix will ask you how you're connected. This will help give your collaborator the right experience. Select one that matches your collaborator. Once you're done, click on Done, and an invitation should successfully be sent. Once they accept the invitation via email, they'll officially be a collaborator and you can start working together. However, your collaborators should know that the invite will expire in 30 days, so it would be best for them to accept the invitation sooner. And that's it. Hope you found this video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.